So the website that I'm choosing to use is Quizlet, and I'm just have one of my fashion merchandising ones that I've already used before. And I chose Quizlet just because this is my favorite website to use when I'm studying for exams and midterms and all that stuff. I feel like it's also like all the study items on the side help a lot. So there's the Learn. And on the Learn, I use the Learn a lot. You just you see, so it says self-finished garments, tortillas, direct importers, and so then you just choose the one that's correct, and it'll keep going back through the ones you get wrong, so you can keep learning it. And then there's the right option, which I like the right option a lot because that makes you kind of study harder because you don't have options. So developed by specific retailers, I'd have to write in the option and they'll tell you incorrect on the side. Then there's the spelling. I don't really like the spelling too much. I prefer not to use it because this is where you would have to type what you hear, and I don't like that. And then there's the test option, which is taking a mini test on here. And this is really great because it'll tell you what you get wrong and percentage you get. And there's the match game, which I love the match game a lot. You pretty much have to connect things really fast together to get a time, and that's one of my favorite ones. And then there's a new one called Gravity, which is you have to type in to get the asteroids gone. You have to, so the definition will come down, or to say inspection, and then I have to write down the definition. Or the way I have to do it is you have the definition and you have to write down the answer for it. And that one goes pretty fast, and the more you get right, the faster it'll go. But yeah, so this is Quizlet. You also have just the plain flashcards that that's really also easy to learn, but I really recommend Quizlet to anyone because I feel like it's the best way to learn something really fast, and it's just really easy to fill out and to share with other people. And also other people can see your work, so it's also just a really great way to see other people's answers for this. So I just think this is a great website to utilize.